Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. It's about time to bring out Citizen Soldiers and with their song Inner Critic, a great song. Not a new one, it has a couple of months on its back, but anyway, still good and nice to learn. So let's dig into this one. As you can see, no need for any capo here. We have a couple of chords to go over, 6 I believe. Let's start with a bar chord. That's the B minor. You place index finger as a bar here on the 2nd fret, and you push down the 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Okay, that's the B minor. We also have the F sharp minor later on. You can continue with that since it's another bar chord on the 2nd fret. This time you push down all strings with that index finger, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Okay, so we got the bar chords out of the picture. Now let's go into the G, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We also got the E minor. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And finally we have the A, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So only 5 chords actually, even better. So let's go into the strumming now. You can do it in 2 different ways. If you grab the first chord, B minor, I played with 4 downs for you here in the introduction of the tutorial. So I play like this. Okay, so it's 4 downs, and I like to emphasize the 3rd down to go down on the higher strings, get all the strings down there. So on the bass strings, 1, 2, and then 3rd, and back to bass on 4th. So that will be 1 string around. You can replace that 3rd down with a clap instead, and that will be more focused on the beat, so it sounds like this. Personally, I prefer the first version with the 4 downs. It's up to you. Now let's go into the actual song. So we have the first verse. It goes B minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2, E minor, 2, and A, 2. You play that chord progression for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. B minor, G, E minor, and A. Alright, so I mix it up a little bit there with the strummings. That was 1 chord progression round. You can do it for 2 rounds, and that's the first verse. Into the pre-chorus at 25 seconds in. So keep your kindness and so on. That's where on the lyrics. You're gonna play G, 2 string rounds, B minor 2, and A 4. Then you continue with G2 and A1 plus a pause, and that pause builds up for the chorus. So G2, B minor 2, A4, 2, 3, 4, then G2, A1, pause, and now comes the chorus. The pause there is the length of 1 string around, so you just keep it quiet there for 1 string round, and then into the chorus at 43 seconds in. So why can't I? That's a question, and that's where are the lyrics. So you're gonna play G2, B minor 2, D2, and A2. You play that for 2 chord progression rounds. Let's do 1 round together. G, 2, B minor, 2, D, 2, and A. And I actually noticed right now I didn't give you the D in the introduction when we went through the chords. I knew there were 6 chords. I missed this one. So let's go over the D chord as it is. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we got that chord as well now. So That is almost the first round. We have this ending after the chorus. We have an instrumental part, and you stay on that B minor for 8 strumming rounds, and that's it. Now, into the second round of everything, we have the second verse played exactly in the same way as the first one. Then we don't have any second pre-chorus. We jump right into the second chorus, and that is played in the same way we just learned, and the same goes after the instrumental part there. We're gonna hit this bridge. Okay, so that is about 2 minutes and 3 seconds in. I'm gonna take you through this, so I'm gonna speak meanwhile I'm playing here. Let's start with B minor 2, G2, A2, and F sharp minor 2, B minor 2, G2, D2, and A2, B minor 2, G2, A2, and F sharp minor 2. Then G, 1 down, and A, 1 down. And that's it. So after this bridge part, you go into the last chorus and play that. You play that in the same way as you play the previous choruses. 2 rounds of that G, B minor, D, A, 2 string rounds per chord. And then you finish off with the final instrumental part. You stay on that B minor for 8 freaking rounds. Play that rock, metal style on it. And that's it, my friends. That's how I handle a song called Inner Critic. Okay, always nice to bring them back here once in a while. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, leave me a comment here, support me in the way you like, and I appreciate that. Thank you, and play tuned.